What's going on, family? If we haven't met, this is Garrick Brown Art Studio, and it is a pleasure to see you on my channel for another episode. You won't see my face today because I need a little bit of a break, but you will get a nice voiceover, and I will see you in another video very, very soon. Today's video is a little bit of a different one, so you're going to have to follow me to understand what's going on. It's not so much about the paint today, but the cell activator. So I just decided to do some experimenting, and I wanted to try an opaque, a semi-opaque, and a transparent color for my cell activator to see if it makes a difference. And I put them all over white titanium paint. And I wanted to show you these blooms as well because I literally just picked leftover colors, and I really believe that the blooming technique is one of the few techniques in art or fluid art that you can pick any colors, and as long as you learn how to layer them and what should go where, even the ugliest of colors will make some of the prettiest of blooms. So I just chose some off the wall colors for the blooms, and in my opinion, I think they all came out great. What I found that I like about doing this two-part cell activator with the white on top is the color underneath allows the white to stay white. Now it may mix with the other cell activator, but I found that all of my whites were still very white once everything dried, and I really like that. So this is not a video of me telling you this is going to work all the time, but more of an experiment, and that's why I'm sharing it today. The color underneath, in this case the magenta, really helps to establish the white and for the white not to mix down with the colors below. And I really like that. And you can see here that I just chose any and every color that I had left for this last bloom, but surprisingly it comes out really well. The CA here is opaque, so you'll see that all three CAs, even though one was transparent, one was semi-transparent, and one was opaque, it really allows the white to shine, and I like that for the contrast. I like that because sometimes I don't want my white to mix in. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn those notification bells on. It is completely free to you, but helpful for me. Additionally, check out my new website, www.garrickbrownartstudio.com. There are some great pieces up there, and I would love your support. I'm constantly updating it and getting it going. So yeah, just check me out and share it with a friend. If you're fairly new to blooms, this video may not be entirely helpful as getting the bloom started. I do have some videos which I will link in the description that help, but I also recommend to consider taking the SheleeArt course, which is how I was able to learn the blooms. There's a ton of information on YouTube and on the internet about it, but the core and good foundation that you need for blooms and to be successful really happens with the course and the amazing Facebook group that is private. Once you pay for the course, you'll have access to that and the years of experiments that have taken place. The hairdryer that I'm using today is called the Yeho, and it can be found on Amazon or at SheleeArt Co. Both places carry it. I enjoy using it. I don't use it as much as I used to, but it is a great tool to have. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I know it was a little bit different from my normal format videos, but I hope this was helpful, or at least you saw some beautiful blooms. Remember, family, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Until the next time, have an amazing, productive day. Peace.